Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with an exclusive look at the 2025 Aston Martin DB12. Aston Martin has always been synonymous with elegance and speed, and the DB12 is no exception. This car is not just about looks, it's a statement of power, precision, and cutting-edge technology. Let's start with the design. The DB12 carries forward the iconic Aston Martin aesthetic, blending tradition with modernity. Its sleek lines, low-slung body, and aggressive front grille are designed to turn heads. The aerodynamic profile not only enhances its beauty but also improves performance. Every curve and contour of the DB12 serves a purpose, making it both visually stunning and incredibly functional. Under the hood, the 2025 DB12 is a beast. It's powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an astonishing 680 horsepower. This engine is paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and rapid acceleration. The DB12 can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed of 205 miles per hour. This kind of performance places the DB12 in a league of its own, offering a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. But Aston Martin hasn't just focused on power. The DB12 is packed with cutting-edge technology to enhance the driving experience. The car features a fully digital cockpit with a high-definition display that provides all the information you need at a glance. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, offering seamless connectivity with your smartphone, voice-activated controls, and an intuitive interface that makes navigating through features effortless. Comfort is also a priority in the DB12. The interior is a luxurious blend of fine leather, carbon fiber, and brushed metal accents. The seats are designed for long drives, offering both support and comfort. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking sharp turns on a winding road, the DB12 ensures you stay in control while enjoying unparalleled comfort. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The DB12 comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only make driving safer, but also add to the overall convenience and ease of handling this powerful machine. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Aston Martin DB12 is positioned in the upper echelon of the luxury sports car market. While it comes with a premium price tag, it's clear that the DB12 offers value for every penny, combining stunning looks, incredible performance, and cutting-edge technology in one exceptional package. So, what do you think about the 2025 Aston Martin DB12? Is it the ultimate luxury sports car? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.